Okay, welcome to another Monday, the second to the last Monday of first quarter. So I hope hope you enjoyed your weekend, and I hope that you have a somewhat enjoyable Monday because we are going to read an awesome short story by Catherine Patterson called The Lost Dog. No, I'm sorry, The Last Dog, not The Lost Dog. Um, and as you read it, you're going to see there's something not quite right in the world that it describes, and um, kind of figure it out as you go. It's very good, very good short story, and I hope you enjoy it. So when you get done with it, go ahead and do your comprehension check, put that in a document, and send it off to me. Seventh grade math. We are approaching almost the end of seventh grade math. You've had quite a survey here. That means whenever you start next semester or some next quarter, you're going to be way ahead. Okay, so I think today you should go to the course challenge. Okay, I'm going to post this right here, and I want you to go all the way down to start course challenge. It's about 30 questions for 30 to 45 minutes. See where you're at, and that really gives you an idea of what you get and what you don't, and what you can spend the last couple of weeks making sure you understand. So that's math. Um, Social studies today is going to be page 160 in the textbook. Early battles. You're going to read until 164, answer the review questions. Don't worry about the locate questions, but just start with identify and put those in a Word document. And that should be good for today. Still looking for some good science stuff. Um, we'll have some off and on as we go into the last couple of weeks, but really these last couple of weeks, I want to make it open, just like I do for my students here, to bring if you feel like you need to bring your grades up, if you feel like you missed some assignments, if you feel like you're falling behind, I'm gonna kind of try to keep it lighter as far as like new things to do, so that you can have all that time to get stuff up, because I don't want anybody to feel like they're gonna fail or uh, don't have a chance to bring their grades up. So, hope you guys have a great day today, and I will talk to you tomorrow.